Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I know exams are near, but I am here to tell you something that would help you to get exemption in the DT IDT. Why I am telling this? Because it would be helpful for everyone, but especially those जो कि मल्टीपल अटेम्प्ट से ट्राई कर रहे हैं बट दे आर नॉट एबल टू क्रैक इट. दे वुड अंडरस्टैंड मी मच बेटर बिकॉज हम जानते हैं जैसे जैसे हम एग्ज़ाम देते हैं एवरी टाइम वी प्रिपेयर एवरीथिंग, एवरी टाइम वी थिंक कि हम सब करके गए हैं, बट व्हेन द रिजल्ट्स केम आउट तो क्या होता है, वी सी कि कोई एग्जाम हमें हमारे मार्क्स ही अच्छे नहीं आए, राइट. तो एक ऐसा कोर्स मैंने डिज़ाइन किया है जो कि ना कि मुझे बट मल्टीपल स्टूडेंट्स को हेल्पफुल रहा है टू गेट द एग्जाम्शन वेरी इजीली through the MCQs and case scenario. Yes, I have bring a case scenarios and MCQ sessions within 15 to 17 days in which you will be able to not only revising the concepts but जिन्होंने एक बार भी syllabus नहीं किया है they too would be able to recall and learn each concept in the different manner, multiple concepts at a time, and you would be able to recall more than 200 concepts in the DT and in the same way IDT also. जिससे क्या होगा, you would be knowing कि कैसे हमें एग्जाम सिनेरियो में प्रिपेयर करना है, कैसे हमें एग्जाम सिनेरियो में बैठ के क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करना है. तो ये जो कोर्स है, दिस कोर्स इज इन द लिमिटेड टाइम, बट ध्यान रखना इट्स very much clear that not only MCQs case scenario but the focus would be on the descriptive paper as well. तो descriptive paper में भी आपको helpful रहेगा. Just enroll for it. Trust me, this would bring a tremendous change in your results. I have seen it, I have experienced it, and multiple of the students are experiencing it. Just by the name, why students think that, yo, this is the case scenario in MCQ, let's do it after once we finish our syllabus, but not. Trust me, we have done it in the classroom itself. Detailed concepts plus recalling everything plus test as well plus descriptive preparation as well. So go and enroll so that you don't miss this attempt. चलिए मिलते हैं in the lecture if you join it. Till then, bye bye. Take care everyone.